I can't believe I have to work down here, all because of a little trip-up. I mean, the tissue box wasn't even that light. It doesn't even match the weight or mass of the amount of burgers and Sneezet's nose. But anyways, no matter, no need to worry about a thing. He will sneeze himself to death, hopefully. Right, now I need to work on the wrenching machine. This is very simple. If only if I knew how to actually work down here. Next time I suppose I should just watch where I'm going, or watch where I'm walking. One of those would work, or both. Hey, get back to your workplace. Oh, you're so blasted rude. Well, you're more likely to get contaminated from that disease. I'm farther away. But anyways, you go ahead with your business. Try not to get infected, okay? Bye-bye. I'm going to keep working on the wrenching machine. Oh, well, when you put it like that... Don't even think about it. I mean, go back to work. Okay, if you say so.